G-force CVT belt handling. Don't break it in. Proper CVT belt handling is critical for getting the most out of your belt and out of your ride. No matter your riding style, whether work or play, following these handling instructions will prolong the life of your CVT belt. Never bend a belt too tightly, also known as crimping. Crimping a belt damages the tensile cords and will lead to premature failure. Flattening your belt to zip tie it is crimping and will cause premature failure. Do not zip tie or otherwise flatten CVT belts. Belts can be zip tied only by allowing 5-inch distance between zip ties and accommodating for a minimum bend diameter as shown here. Another cause of premature failure is backbending. Never backbend a CVT belt. You might be wondering why backbending is a problem. After all, serpentine belts are packaged and run with backbends. This is true, but serpentine belts are not CVT belts. Serpentine belts are specifically designed to run multiple shafts. CVT drives are 2-point only. The design, engineering, and construction of these belts are vastly different and therefore have different handling requirements. Additionally, never backbend a CVT belt to accommodate small package sizes or spare belt storage areas. Compressing a CVT belt in this way will cause premature failure. Never invert or turn inside out a CVT belt. This damages the tensile cords and will lead to premature belt failure. Finally, when installing a CVT belt, it's important to first release the secondary clutch and never pry on the belt. In summary, do not crimp, do not backbend, do not pry on, and do not invert CVT belts. For more information, complete handling and installation instructions are available at www.gates.com/breakitin. Gates, driven by possibility. Gates.com/redline.